Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign out of all your devices in Steam. That is, how to deauthorize all devices. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Let's say for safety reasons, I want to sign out of all of my devices. Well, it is quite easy. At the top left, you can see the Steam button right here. Click on it, and from there, let us directly go to settings. And guys, this is it. And do note that signing out of all of our devices relates to security. So I'm gonna click on it. And guys, right here, the very first thing that you're gonna see is deauthorize all devices. It is at the bottom. Simply click on the authorized devices right here. Once you do, you will again be redirected to this page. Scroll down and once again click on the authorize all devices. It's gonna ask for your confirmation. Simply hit on proceed, and that is it. And guys, as you can see, we have been signed out of our account. Now when I try to log in, it's gonna ask for the password. That is it guys. That's it with the authorize all devices in Steam. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.